how to voice typing in Google Docs, and I'm going to show you the other features, how you can use the features in while you voice typing in Google Docs. Okay, so guys, let's start with the video. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So first, open your Google Docs, just log in your Google ID or Gmail ID, and just click on this option and directly go to the Google Docs. The Google Docs will be open like this. Okay, so Google Docs, open the Google Docs now. In order to type or in order to voice typing, just click on tools, and here you have to click on voice typing. Okay, you need to attach your microphone to your computer before using this voice typing. Okay, and just click on it. Now the mic command will be come here. This icon you can move anywhere if you want, and there is a option, the down arrow. From here you can change any language. Okay, so I just change the language English. Okay, United States. And now just make the cursor where you want to start to speak. Okay, this is header. Okay, so now in order to speak or voice typing, just click on it, and now it is enabled, and now you have to speak. So that is how you can enable the voice typing in Google Docs. So whatever you speak in this mic, it will be typed here. Okay, so it is very useful features in Google Docs while you take the notes, in urgent base, or there's a many uses of this voice typing in Google Docs. So you can use as per your requirement. So there are others features I'm going to show you. So guys, once you complete your voice typing, just click on it and it will be disabled now. Okay, so now when you voice typing in Google Docs, there is some error or grammar error or any other spelling mistake you have to check. So you can see there is an underline option. Just right click on it and use the right click on underline words and use the as per requirements, and you can check spell and grammar check. Okay, here the tools for grammar check. Okay, translate document spelling and grammar, just check the spelling and grammar. So it will be show all, or select all and right click on, just click on. Okay, so it is all look good. Okay, you can use a Grammarly add-on, or you can separately use Grammarly to make the perfect your voice typing. Okay, so it is online tools of Grammarly. It is very useful to correct your you know voice typing. Just go to the new, just select the all, just copy it and just paste here, and now you can see the all wrong or correction words will be highlighted like this. Okay, so you have to just click on, just correct everything as per requirements, and you can go to the premium to use others features. Okay, so that is how you can use the voice, Google Voice. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.